What's the difference between psychologists, psychological associates, psychiatrists, and psychotherapists in Ontario? What is a psychologist? A practicing psychologist is trained to assess and diagnose problems in thinking, feeling, and behavior, as well to help people overcome or manage these problems. A psychologist is uniquely trained to use psychological tests to help with assessment and diagnosis. Psychologists help people to overcome or manage their problems using a variety of treatments or psychotherapies. From What is a Psychologist by the Canadian Psychological Association. What training and qualifications are required to become a psychologist? A registered clinical psychologist in Ontario, in most cases, will have completed the following: an undergraduate degree in psychology, approximately 4 years, a master's degree in psychology, approximately 2 years, a PhD or PsyD doctoral degree in clinical psychology, approximately 6 years, including a 1-year internship, postdoctoral supervised practice, approximately 1,500 hours or 1 year, pass registration exams for the College of Psychologists of Ontario, and received a certificate of registration to practice psychology from the College of Psychologists of Ontario. From Becoming a Psychologist by the Canadian Psychological Association. How do psychologists differ from psychological associates? Psychological associates are another set of professionals who are registered with the College of Psychologists of Ontario, and they can do the same things as psychologists, but there are differences in their training. What training and qualifications are required to become a psychological associate? A registered psychological associate in Ontario, in most cases, will have completed the following: an undergraduate degree in psychology, approximately 4 years, a master's degree in psychology, approximately 2 years, 4 years of experience working in the scope of practice of psychology, 1 additional year of formal supervised experience approved by the college, passed registration exams for the College of Psychologists of Ontario, and received a certificate of registration to practice psychology from the College of Psychologists of Ontario. From Facts by the College of Psychologists of Ontario. What is a psychiatrist? Psychiatrists are physicians who enhance the person's quality of life by providing psychiatric assessment, treatment, and rehabilitation care to people with psychiatric disorders in order to prevent, reduce, and eliminate the symptoms and subsequent disabilities resulting from mental illness or disorder. Psychiatrists use a mix of treatment options, including medications and psychotherapy, depending on the psychiatric condition. From the Canadian Psychiatric Association. What training and qualifications are required to become a psychiatrist? A registered psychiatrist in Ontario, in most cases, will have completed the following: an undergraduate degree in science, approximately 4 years, a doctorate of medicine from a medical school, approximately 4 years, a psychiatric residency, 5 years, passed registration exams for the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons, and received a certificate of registration to practice psychiatry from the College of Physicians and Surgeons. From Kimber Joy, 2018, June, How to Become a Psychiatrist in Canada. What is a psychotherapist? Registered psychotherapists will be competent to use a treatment approach or modality that is part of one or more of the categories of prescribed therapies. Registered psychotherapists are authorized to perform the controlled act of psychotherapy. From the College of Registered Psychotherapists of Ontario. What training and qualifications are required to become a psychotherapist? A registered psychotherapist in Ontario, in most cases, will have completed the following. CRPO requires a master's level program central to the practice of psychotherapy for registration. This can be a master's degree or an equivalent graduate diploma that requires completion of a bachelor's level program for admission. The program must provide training in the entry to practice competencies. Also, received a certificate of registration to practice psychotherapy from the College of Registered Psychotherapists of Ontario, from recognized/accepted programs by the College of Registered Psychotherapists of Ontario. I hope this video was helpful. Please use the links in the description box below for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.